Imagine this. You're behind the wheel of one of the most powerful, reliable engines in America's trucking industry, the PACCAR X15. But what makes this engine stand out in a sea of diesel giants? Why do thousands of drivers swear by it day in and day out? Stick around, because by the end of this video, you'll understand exactly why the PACCAR X15 isn't just an engine. It's a game changer for truckers across the nation. Let's start with what most people overlook: power that's finely tuned, not just brute force. The PACCAR X15 is engineered with precision to deliver a remarkable blend of horsepower and torque, up to 605 horsepower and 2050 pound-feet of torque, depending on your setup. But here's the kicker. It manages this without guzzling fuel like a gas station on payday. This engine was designed with a singular mission: maximize fuel efficiency while maintaining top-tier performance. Because let's face it, in trucking, every drop of diesel saved translates to serious money back in your pocket. So, it's not just power for power's sake, it's smart power. Now, you might be wondering, sure, it sounds great on paper, but how does it hold up in the real world? That's where the PACCAR X15 truly shines. Built with advanced technologies like variable geometry turbochargers and high-pressure fuel injection, it adapts dynamically to road conditions and driver demands. It's like having a co-pilot who's always optimizing your ride, except without the coffee breath. And get this, its robust design cuts down downtime. Maintenance is easier and less frequent, which means less time in the shop and more time hauling freight. After all, your rig isn't just a truck, it's your livelihood. Here's a question for you. Ever heard of an engine that learns? No, it's not science fiction. The PACCAR X15 incorporates smart diagnostics that monitor performance in real time. This means potential issues are flagged before they turn into costly breakdowns. Imagine cruising down the highway, confident that your engine is not only powerful and efficient, but also watching your back every mile of the way. It's like having a mechanic riding shotgun who never sleeps. Now, before we move deeper into what makes the PACCAR X15 a standout, let me ask, what's more important to you, raw power or reliability? Because in the trucking world, you don't often get both in one package. This is where PACCAR flips the script. The X15 is engineered for durability with components designed to withstand the harshest conditions, from blistering summer heat to freezing winters. The result? An engine that doesn't just perform but endures. Think of it as the marathon runner of diesel engines, built to keep going mile after mile without breaking a sweat. But wait, there's more to this story. While fuel economy and power grab most of the spotlight, the PACCAR X15 also leads the pack in emissions technology. It meets stringent EPA standards, which means it's not just tough on the road, but also kind to the environment. In today's world, that's a crucial edge. You're running a business, yes, but you're also part of a larger responsibility to keep our air cleaner and comply with regulations that can't be ignored. This engine lets you check all those boxes without sacrificing performance or profit. Let's take a moment here. Think about your rig. How many times have you been sidelined by unexpected repairs or wasted hours at the pump? The PACCAR X15 isn't just another engine. It's a strategic advantage in a competitive industry. And here's a little secret. PACCAR backs their engines with a comprehensive warranty and nationwide support network, meaning help is never far away when you need it. Still curious about how the PACCAR X15 stacks up against its competitors? We'll get to that, but first, picture this: a trucker finishing a tough haul, arriving on time, with fuel still in the tank and the engine purring smoothly. That's the reality for thousands who trust the X15. They're not just driving, they're dominating the road. And just when you think you've heard it all, here comes the cliffhanger. What's the single upgrade option that turns this beast from impressive to downright unstoppable? I'll reveal that and break down how it transforms your driving experience in the next few moments. So, keep watching. Bottom line? The PACCAR X15 is more than an engine. It's an investment in reliability, efficiency, and future-proofing your business. It's the engine working behind the scenes so you can focus on what really matters, the road ahead. If you want to stay competitive, save on fuel, and reduce downtime, this is the engine you need to know inside and out. So, Ready to unlock the full potential of your truck with the PACCAR X15? Stick with me, because what's coming next could change the way you think about diesel power forever.